Facebook. Good luck, MPIAN. Got 4 personals here. Starting with 2011 Timeless Treasures. All numbered. No better than yeah, other than your tape on yesterday, it was not too great. That 11 box yesterday was pretty bad. Good luck, man. Starting with 2011, you got Greasy Bob, numbered 156 of 499. Sidney Rice. Chris Cooley, nice one for the PC there. Sidney Rice is 92 of 499. Chris Cooley auto. Wilson, yeah, I love the inscriptions from 2013 Elite. Jamal Charles, one color jersey, Jamal Charles. Cooley is going to be 14 of 15. I'll show you the number in a sec. Jamal Charles, game worn. And final hit. Looks like Kellen Winslow. Changing stripes, Browns to Bucks, Kellen Winslow. Winslow 105 of 249. Jamal is 4 of 99. And your Cooley is going to be 14 of 15. It's low numbered on that. The Winslow. Thanks, man. Good old Winslow. Killing it with the Jets now. 2012 Absolute. Hope you have better luck than I usually do with Absolute. Pineda, I have no idea, to tell you the truth, man. I have no idea. If you want to send, that's fine. I'll refund you if it doesn't fill, or whatever, man. I honestly don't really know. It's possible, but who knows. That is correct, sir. That is correct. Easier. Alright, first box of Absolute. Good luck, man. 2 autos, 2 other cards. Bob, I always have the worst luck with Absolute. I want to like it, but it just never does me good. What's up, Punk Luck? Good luck, MPIAN. You got a Matt Forte base, followed by Phillip Rivers base, followed by Golden Tape, followed by Marks of Fame, Beanie Wells. Nice and shiny. Look at all that. And first hit is, looks like a Steeler. That's going to be Sean Spence for the Steelers. Spence is 191 of 299. See if these were numbered. Beanie is 32 of 100. Hit some monsters, Bob. Yeah, I've hit some nice Russell Wilsons out of here. Luck or two. I don't think I've ever hit RG3 out of. I didn't do a lot of Absolute though. I'll get you a good time to start with RG3 since we got a Redskins fan. Got a redemption. Base cards: Devon Best, Josh Freeman, Matt Stafford. Josh Robinson, rookie for the Vikings, is going to be 204 at 399. Redemption is, ooh, nice. Groundhogs. Signature Prime Materials, jersey number, DeMarco Murray. That's pretty sick. Nice hit, MPIAN. Groundhogs are pretty sick. They're low numbered too usually. And that's prime, so it's a nice one. Those are 10 Pineda. Yeah, those are nice. Those are one of my favorite inserts. Damn, you got another redemption, man. Jeez. Fred Jackson. Mike Harris, rookie for the Jags, is going to be 211 at 399. So you got 2 redemptions and an auto, man. Looks like you got 3 autos. There's your boy. And Santana Moss. I'll ship you the base on Absolute. We got a Stargazing Signature Materials redemption. X1. Yeah, I've got a few more cases that they're not here yet though. Let's see. Put your hits over here. Base MJD Frank Gore. So yeah, I'm out for now. I got Andre Johnson, Shady McCoy. Good luck. If that's prime, that's number /5 on that DeMarco. Even nicer. Russell Wilson. Would have been sick if that had ink on it. Last hit. Good luck. Stargazing Signature Materials. Thankfully, this one does have ink on it. You get that guy. Sick box. Russell Wilson, Stargazing Signature Materials, redemption, DeMarco Murray, Groundhogs Prime. Looks like that's number /5. Sean Spence, rookie auto, Russell Wilson. Nasty, nasty, nasty box right there, MPN. Congrats, man. I said stop, don't do the other one. They did come at different times and from different places, so it won't. Actually, they came from the same place but different times. Never mind. Same place, different times. But yeah, I'll leave that one out. You want to do your elite still? Yeah, you just murdered that box, man. Oh, and we just lose our Vaughn TV piece. This is what Vaughn TV does. It just kind of blanks out while you're in the middle of it. Did you guys lose video? Can you hear me? Okay, so we're back. Okay. Alright, no problem. MPN, did you want to do elite still, or are you calling it a night? Yeah, I'm not. That one's just chilling back there. Elite, yes? Alright, man. Here we go. Good luck. Grabbing packs. Good luck, man. 2013 Elite. I know, right, Mike? Yeah, it's all around. It's probably the best box of Absolute I ever opened. Again, I didn't do much. I probably did less than 10 boxes total of it, including that one, so I didn't do a lot, but that was a nasty one. Philip Thomas rookie for your skins, 974 and 999. And you wanted skins and Niners base, I believe. Right? Let's see. Oh, you pulled the shield from Absolute. Hell yeah, Bob. I'd like it too if I pulled that. And more PC love. 1 of 49. Pierre Garçon gold status. 1 of 49 die cut. RG3 base. Ray Rice, Zoning Commission, not numbered. Jonathan Franklin, 96 and 99. New breed jersey auto to 99. Not too bad. This guy had a good game the other day. Jonathan Franklin. Got what? One auto. That's first hit so far, I think. Oh yeah. Let me rephrase that. He had a good stat line, except for one of those stats. Cornelius Carradine. Had never heard of this guy. Now I keep finding him. 283 at 299. Look at that face. Yeah, sick. And cap base. Sorry to bring that up, Bob. Tank, was he good? I'd never heard of him until certified. Kept pulling his autos out of certified. It's like, who the hell is this guy? I don't watch college Pierre Garçon base, so I don't know a lot of them. A lot of the rookies, to be fair. Not this guy. Okay, not an auto. Tyler Bray. This guy haunts me in Elite and Certified. 714 of 899. No. Eddie Lacy. 107 of 699. Jonathan Dwyer, turn of the century to 299. It's 93. Actually, it's 93 or 199. My bad. Crabtree base. What's up, Rob? Hey, it's gonna be a few, man. Let me get through these. Finish this off here. Oh, I thought that was Eric Reed for a sec. Eric Fisher, hard hats, rookie auto. 142 of 199. Eric Fisher for the Chiefs. To 199. Second auto. PC, Crabtree. Postman, we got a half case of Playbook 2012 lined. There's still 20 spots left. 68 of 90, Corey Fuller. Blue aspirations for the Lions. 68 of 90. A little white down there in the bottom right corner. So yeah, half case of 2012 Playbook is lined right now. Punkalunk probably looking like I'll get back to you. Hold on. Vernon Davis base. Postman, add a gold standard for the day. Probably have more tomorrow, but I probably won't be on tomorrow. Bob, you got gold standard tomorrow? Jimmy Graham, that's it. Christine Michael, New Breed jersey, 268 of 399. Yeah, I think that's jersey, not a patch. Not till Wednesday. I think that's when mine shows up too. Not sure. Wednesday or Thursday. What's up, Chuck? For you, it's 79. Patrick Peterson, turn of the century, 6 of 199. Eight. All right, man. I'll give you 8. It's gonna take me a while to get them ready, though. If you can wait around for a bit. Matt Scott for the Jags, 60 of 199. Last pack. Did we get 4 hits for it yet? So we got Christine Michael. Got that Hard Hats auto. We got Jonathan Franklin. Still missing a hit, I think, right? There it is, nothing big. Nile Davis, 353 of 399. New Breed jersey, Nile Davis. Alright, MPIAN, thank you very much, sir. Congrats on some nice 2012 stuff. And Chris Cooley. Thanks, man.